Welcome back to the deep dive. So we got a ton of requests to wade into the world of network-wide ad blocking.
Hmm.
And, to really compare the two big players people always talk about, Technitium and AdGuard.
Right. And it's that classic battle, isn't it? You've got the completely free, open source ideal on one side.
Mm,
And then on the other, you have the slick, pay us and it just works promise, instant protection.
exactly. And that AdGuard promise usually starts at what, around $80 for a lifetime plan?
Yeah, in that ballpark. But our whole mission here is to strip away that marketing. We're going to reveal what neither of them is really advertising, the actual cost, the expertise you need, and critically, this one huge technological limit they both share.
Okay, let's unpack this, starting with Technitium. The biggest draw is that the software is completely free. That sounds like a zero-cost deal to me.
Well, that's the hook. But in the world of open source, free software hardly ever means zero cost. I mean, to run it properly 204/7 for your whole home network, you need dedicated hardware that's always on.
So you need to buy something like a Raspberry Pi.
Exactly. And there's your first $40 minimum. Or you could go all the way up to, what, $300 for a dedicated little mini server?
So there's an immediate hardware cost. But, reading through the user forums, I get the feeling that's not even the real cost.
Oh, not even close. The real cost is your time. It's the expertise. If you're not someone who's comfortable, in a Linux terminal or configuring network parameters,
It's going to be a huge headache.
a huge burden. We're talking mandatory security patches, updating block lists, troubleshooting when things go wrong.
And what about support if you break something?
You're limited to community forums. That's it. You are basically trading money for the mandatory skill of being a server admin.
Which is precisely why so many people just say, forget it, and look to AdGuard.
Right.
They're willing to pay for that simplicity. But if Technitium's free is hiding costs, AdGuard's comprehensive seems to be hiding a lot of complexity.
This is what's so fascinating. People buy AdGuard thinking one payment solves everything. But AdGuard isn't one product. It's like 5 separate things.
5.
Yep, and get this, one of those is AdGuard Home. It's their self-hosted version. It's free.
Wait, hold on. So it has the exact same requirements as Technitium. The hardware, the expertise.
Pretty much. You're right back in that same loop. You need a server and the know-how.
That's amazing. So what about the paid stuff then? The products that promise convenience?
Well, that's where you get hit with multiple overlapping costs. That $80 lifetime license you mentioned,
Yeah.
that usually just covers the ad blocker software for, say, 3 devices.
Just 3. Not the whole network.
Right. If you want true network-level protection without running your own server, you need AdGuard DNS. That's a completely separate product.
Which is another cost, I'm guessing.
It's a monthly subscription. Can be anywhere from just under $2 to almost $10 a month. You are essentially paying for comprehensive protection multiple times.
So you either pay with technical expertise for Technitium, or you pay with, well, a lot of money and confusion for AdGuard. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for me, because no matter what you pay or how you set it up, both of them share one big universal weakness.
And this is the part that makes you question the whole return on investment. See, their DNS solutions, they work by blocking the request to load an ad server.
Okay, that makes sense.
But what happens when the ad is being served from the exact same domain as the content you actually want?
Oh, like YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
The video and the pre-roll ad both come from youtube.com.
Precisely. The DNS blocker can't tell them apart. So if it blocks the domain to stop the ad,
It blocks the video, too. The whole page just breaks.
that's the key technical limitation that neither service really likes to talk about. It means, for some of the most annoying ads out there, you're back to square one.
Which means,
Wow.
it means if you want a truly complete ad-free experience, you still need to use a browser extension.
You do. Something like uBlock Origin, which is totally free, becomes necessary to fill in those gaps.
That really puts it all into perspective.
It does. I mean, let's just sum it up. Free with Technitium means you're buying hardware and your own IT support.
And comprehensive with AdGuard means you're navigating 5 products and probably paying over and over.
And at the end of the day, neither investment gives you a complete shield by itself.
And that's the takeaway from you. If spending serious money or your own valuable time on a network-level ad blocker still means you need to use a free browser extension for a complete defense, then what's truly defining the value of these products? Is it about having ultimate technical control over your network, or is it just about buying some time efficiency? Something to think about.